Good morning, my lovely flowers. Well, if it's morning when you watch this, it'll be afternoon when you watch this. Anyway, hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and I'm back with another video. So, you guys, it's wedding season. Even though this weekend it's a baby shower and a baby shower and a retirement party. Y'all, it's pretty simple this week because next week is gonna be crazy. I'm in tons of traffic heading to LA. I don't know what's going on because traffic had been very light. It just started, I guess, this week it's just starting to get crazy again. So yeah, it's started at 8, it's 9 o'clock, and I'm just halfway there. So I probably got another hour and a half to go. Oh, anyway, I'm going to go downtown. I got to pick up my flowers. I got to pick up some vases. I got to pick up my chair covers. I need to pick up just some knickknacks for my studio, like foam. What else? Foam, pins. I do need some more ribbon, and I think that's about it. So yeah, so we're on our way there, and I'm stuck in traffic. I was like, let me do the intro, because when you guys see last week's, it was very short because I was just not feeling it that week, but I'm feeling so much better. I hope you guys can feel the great energy. So yeah, I'm going to go do that, and that's it. So come follow along. Let's go. Okay, my lovely flowers, I am headed to, as you guys seen a second ago, we were doing flowers for my event on Saturday. I'm gonna finish those up shortly. Then let me see, I'm over here listening to this man's song. Oh, then I'm doing a walkthrough right now, and then I've got to go pick up chairs for my Sunday event. Because it was so few chairs, I just went and picked it up from my vendor, because I don't want to pay for him to deliver. Well, you know what, he has a minimum of 500. He took it up to 1,000. He has a minimum of 1,000 now. So I'm just gonna go pick them up from him and then go from there. We're in the process of getting a business loan so that we can open up the chair portion of our business, and it's just going to be very contemporary. Like I said, ooh, it's going to be shaky. We're going to be very contemporary with it, but I don't want to keep you guys too long. I know I talk a lot, so let's get going and look at this venue walkthrough and picking up my chairs. Bye.
We just added emerald green runners and rectangle table linens, but not linen napkins. I have this green, but
sleepy that you can't go to sleep. I am so tired. I know I need to put my hair up and I need to take my makeup off, but I am so sleepy and I can't even get up and do it. Oh my goodness, this time change. I was like, oh, I'll be fine. It's not gonna bother me. I'm good. I'm lying.